Last sequence we practiced with our half lunge. So now all that three sequence, the three patterns जो हमने choose किए थे, I'll be implement during in your high lunge. वो अब हम high lunge पे चलेंगे. So come back again, cat pose, and from cat pose come in the downward facing dog. Left leg in between your both arms. Left leg को दोनों हाथों के बीच में रखिए. So the first round initial level, वैसे तो there are so many ways of doing it. वहां पर आप या तो हाथ साइड पे रख लीजिए by this way, or you can be use the block like that. चाहे आप block ऐसे रख लीजिए, you have the spot. So the practice is push hip down and you are relaxed like that. So you can be choose any practice जो आपको ठीक लगे. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, no jugs, 17, 19, 18, and 20. Good. Keep your both legs straight now. दोनों legs को सीधा कीजिए and simply just bend forward belly towards the thigh and then try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, we'll go the second time. हम दूसरी बार चलेंगे. That will only the 15 times. Again repetitions. Come on, 1, 2, 3, slow, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay guys, again your legs straight, hip aligned. So this time put your both arms back. दोनों हाथों को ऐसे पीछे की तरफ लेकर जाइए. Same like before. 1, you feel challenging तो हाथ आप सामने रखिए जैसे पहले किया. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, done. आइए वापस. Now we'll go the third time. Third time only 10 time movements. So the same way you can be hand side of the leg or even hands on your waist. जो भी आपको ठीक लगे. Come on, कोई भी एक practice choose कर लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, awareness 7, 8, 9 and once more 10. Okay guys, keep your legs straight. दोनों पैरों को फिर से सीधा करें. And now make a finger lock from the back side. पीछे से फिर से finger lock बनाइए and then bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you feel difficult, so you can repeat any one practice which you did last time. And then relax. Okay. Come back. And then come in the peasant pose once again. देखिए, there are so many ways of doing the practice, and usually you all now aware about my teaching style. Usually I choose the one practice and I just modify that practice with some different ways. जब आप एक ही practice को बार बार अलग अलग तरीके से करते हो, तो there is a more chance that you will be have the improvement in it. Improvement होने के chance वहाँ पर फिर ज़्यादा होते हैं. Come on. So again 5, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Bend forward, bend the right leg, hold it, and then try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, come back everyone. Again cross the leg. फिर से लेग को क्रॉस कीजिए. हमने फ्रंट स्प्लिट रूटीन की बात करी है, ठीक है। सो दिस ऑल प्रैक्टिस विल लीड यू टुवर्ड्स द फ्रंट स्प्लिट। आप इन प्रैक्टिस को कर करके यू कैन बी रीच टू फ्रंट स्प्लिट। 1 breath, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax everyone. यहाँ पर will be do a little change than the last time. So आप सभी कोशिश कर सकते हो. You can be make the finger low and then try to bend forward. With that way, it will give a little more push on your upper leg. Difficult. So हाथ आप सामने रखिए. Then try 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, guys, come back now. वापिस आ जाइए. So we'll repeat the same sequence. Another side, दूसरी तरफ से चलेंगे. Come on, आ जाइए. I will be facing this side. So at first come in the downward dog. एक बार downward facing dog में आ जाइए सभी. Legs arms spine straight. Maintain the little distance. But try downward facing dog के अंदर भी. Even you practice the downward facing dog, you can work a lot on your hamstring, guys. Press the inner heel. Inner heel को press कीजिए. Leg को सीधा कीजिए. Belly को in कीजिए and spine straight कीजिए. 1 and now observe. 3, 4, leg straight. 5, 6 and relax. Right leg inside. Sorry, right leg in between your arms. And now the same. The first round 20 times. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Legs straight and bend forward. Try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, come back. Repeat the second time the same sequence. दूसरी बार चलेंगे but this time 15 times. Come on. 1, 2, use the block or without block. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay guys, legs straight and put your arms back. हाथ पीछे की तरफ लेकर जाइए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, here we go. The last time, the third time. So this time you can place your hands on your waist. आप दोनों हाथ अपनी waist पर रखिए. And now continuously start the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slow, control, 8, 9 and 10. Good. Keep your legs straight. दोनों पैरों को सीधा कीजिए. And now the same, you can make the finger lock from the back side. मुश्किल लगे, you can drop the hands and arms back. तो आप कोई भी एक प्रैक्टिस को चूज कर लीजिए. 2, finger lock you required a bit more balance, and for more balance you require the more strength. So you can be choose anything. And now relax guys. वापस आ जाइए. Come in the pigeon pose again. Pigeon pose में फिर से आइए. And move left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Bend forward. Bend your left leg, hold the ankle. And then try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Come back. Cross your leg. Half spine twist pose once again. Cross कीजिए. Drop the right elbow if you can and just twist it. That's it. No need extreme twisting. Be gentle here. But just remember, ध्यान दीजिएगा, the knee is facing up. जो knee आपका facing up है left में, उसको push कीजिए shoulder की तरफ. You try to be push the knee towards your shoulder. और hip को lift मत कीजिए. Hip should be on the floor. 4, 5, 6. Okay guys. And then come in the cow facing pose. Yes. आ जाइए. And now you have that option. Finger lock you can, and then bend forward, or simply your arms straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. आ जाइए वापस. Return everyone. Good. And then come in the Baddha Konasana. So there is so many practices, as I said. मैंने पहले भी बोला कि बहुत सारी ऐसी प्रैक्टिसेस हैं जो आपको लीड करती हैं आपकी फ्रंट स्प्लिट के रूटीन के ऊपर. फ्रंट स्प्लिट रूटीन इज नॉट दैट वी डू द फ्रंट स्प्लिट, बट ये जितनी भी जो प्रैक्टिस थी, व्हाट आर द प्रैक्टिस वी डिड इन आवर क्लास. So this all practice is helpful, or you can be say these are some preparatory sequences, preparatory series towards that. So when we do our next class again, which will be focused on the front split routine, तो उसके अंदर I will be give you the some another way of doing the practice. कुछ चीजें repeat हो जाएंगी, something I will be add on, but this is true. अगर आप इन्हीं practices को, if you will continuously all these practices, so that will be much helpful for you. कर आप बस butterfly करते जाइए. फ्रंट स्प्लिट रूटीन यूजली वी टेक लाइक उसमें आपका सिटिंग फ्रंट स्प्लिट हो गया, स्टैंडिंग फ्रंट स्प्लिट हो गया, वॉल फ्रंट स्प्लिट आपका हो गया. बट व्हाट इज द मेन कंसर्न इज दैट उसमें क्या होता है कि यू हैव टू बी फोकस. वन लेग विल बी वर्क ऑन देन योर फ्रंट थाई स्ट्रेच. ये जो थाई का स्ट्रेच है ये आएगा आपका फ्रंट थाई के ऊपर. अनदर लेग विल बी वर्क ऑन योर हैमस्ट्रिंग. एग्जांपल जैसे कि आई एम जस्ट शोइंग, यू नो नीड टू, आपके लिए दैट इज इनफ. When this all practice, जितने भी प्रैक्टिस हमने की, so all practice का जो कंसर्न था वो यहीं पर ही था. Whatever the leg was facing, जो leg आपको सामने की तरफ जो leg थी, that leg we work on the hamstring part. वो आपका hamstring पर फोकस करेगा. और जो back leg जो गया पीछे, the back leg, the leg is going back, that leg we focus more on your front thigh stretch. तो बस almost we did that routine. इसके बाद so slowly I will be take you all on this level. इसके भी बहुत सारे different routines हैं. So that is not possible that we cover in a one class. But this is true. You repeat what the practice we did today. आप इन practice को repeat continuous level पर रखिए. Then your muscles will be open up more because you have a very nice stretch. Stretch के साथ वो movement आपका होता जाएगा. You will have the more and more movement. So stretch will become deeper and deeper and it will increase the capacity of your flexibility. Flexibility का level अपने आप increase हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. ठीक है? तो एक बार सभी child pose पर आ जाइए फिर से. Everyone once again child pose, relaxation.